Hello students, in this video we are going to learn some practice questions on sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio. So we have already solved 4 problems on sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio. I have already uploaded 2 videos on this. So this is the third video in which I am taking practice questions on sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio. So we will quickly start with the first problem. Problem number A. Anita and Kavita are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3. So what is this 5:3? This is old ratio of old partners. So what is given to us in the question? It is given to us old ratio of old partners. Who are the old partners? Anita and Kavita. So Anita and Kavita are old partners and their old ratio was 5:3. This we can write it as 5 plus 3, 8. So 5 upon 8 and 3 upon 8. Then what else is given? They admitted Sunita into the partnership. That means they are admitting a new partner, that is Sunita. On admission, Sunita brings rupees 70,000 cash and rupees 48,000 against goodwill. Now this line is given just to confuse you all. Then what is given? New profit sharing ratio between Anita, Kavita and Sunita are 7:5:4. Okay, so then what else they had given to us in the problem? New profit sharing ratio, that is, who are the three partners now? Anita, Kavita, Kavita are old partners. The new partner is added to this now, that is Sunita. Added to the partnership firm, that is Sunita. So what is their new profit sharing ratio after adding Sunita in the business? 7:5:4. So 7 plus 5 plus 4 comes to 16. So this we can write it as 7 upon 16, 5 upon 16 and 4 upon 16. So now when we have these details with us, old ratio and new profit sharing ratio, we can apply this formula, old ratio minus new ratio. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio, because nothing else is given to us in the question. They just mention old ratio and new profit sharing ratio. So obviously if the new profit sharing ratio is given to us in the question, we do not need to calculate the new profit sharing ratio because it is already given. So what they have asked us to calculate your sacrifice ratio among Anita and Kavita. Okay, so sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so we will calculate first for Anita and then for Kavita. So what is the old ratio of Anita? Here, old ratio of Anita is 5 upon 8, 5 upon 8 and Kavita is 3 upon 8 minus new profit sharing ratio of Anita 7 upon 16 and of Kavita is 5 upon 16. Now, here there is a minus sign. So what did I told you all? Whenever there is a minus sign or plus sign, we have to make the denominator equal first. So if I multiply here by 2, I will get 16 over here. So this and this will be equal. So if the denominator I am multiplying with 2, then the numerator also I have to multiply with 2. Similarly over here also, to make it 16 I have to multiply this with 2 and the numerator also I have to multiply with 2. Okay, so the denominator is equal now, that is 16. Okay, 5 into 2, 10 minus 7. Over here, 8 into 2, 16. So it is equal now 3 into 2, 6 minus 5. Okay. Now 10 minus 7 is 3 upon 16. 6 minus 5 is 1 upon 16. Okay, so now we have calculated the sacrifice ratio of old partner, that is Anita and Kavita. That is 3 is to 1. So sacrifice ratio of old partner is 3 is to 1. Okay, then we will take another problem. Okay, what is given here? Amol and Bharat share profits and losses in the ratio 4 is to 3. So Amol and Bharat are old partners and their old profit sharing ratio was 4 is to 3. They admitted Suraj as a partner with 3 upon 7 share. So they admitted Suraj as a new partner with 3 upon 7 share in the future profits. Okay, of which he gets 2 upon 7 from Amol and 1 upon 7 from Bharat. So we will write first what is given to us in the question. What details are given to us? Old ratio is given. Old ratio of old partner, that is Amol and Bharat, 4 is to 3. 4 plus 3, 7. So 4 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. What else is given? They admit Suraj as a partner with 3 upon 7 share. So that means share of new partner is given. The new partner here is Suraj. Okay. So what share they are giving Suraj? 3 upon 7. Now what else is given? Of which he gets 2 upon 7 from Amol and 1 upon 7 from Bharat. So how Suraj is getting 3 upon 7? Because 2 upon 7 is given by Amol and 1 upon 7 is given by Bharat. So whenever after the fraction, if you get this line, if you get this word Amol after the fraction, 2 upon 7 from Amol and 1 upon 7 from Bharat, then you have to consider this share sacrificed by the partner as sacrifice ratio. Okay. So what is given to us? Share sacrificed by old partner is given, that is 2 upon 7 is sacrificed by Amol and 1 upon 7 is sacrificed by Bharat. Okay. So what is given to us in the question? They had given to us old ratio of old partners, share of a new partner and share sacrificed by old partner. So since this word is given from this share sacrificed by old partner, this fraction that they had given to us, we will consider that as sacrifice ratio. So here you don't need to further calculate the sacrifice ratio, because when you get this word from after the fraction given, that means it is the sacrifice ratio of the old partners, that is Amol and Bharat. So what has been told to you all in the question? Calculate new profit sharing ratio. So we have with us old ratio, we have with us share of a new partner, and we also have sacrifice ratio. So we have to calculate your new profit sharing ratio. There are two formulas: old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. and remaining share multiply with old ratio. So as per the information that we have, old ratio and sacrifice ratio, we can apply the first formula. We can apply this first formula, that is new profit sharing ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Okay, so we'll calculate first for Amol, then we'll calculate for Bharat, and then for the new partner. So let's do this first. What is the old ratio of Amol? Here, 4 upon 7. What is the old ratio of Bharat? 3 upon 7 minus, okay, minus sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio of Amol is 2 upon 7 and Bharat is 1 upon 7. Now if you see over here, the denominator is already same. The denominator is already equal here. So you don't need to make the denominator equal. You can directly write this. Okay. This is also 7 because here also the denominator is same. Now 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we got the new profit sharing ratio of old partner, that is Amol and Bharat. Let's see for the new partner. How much is given over here? Share of a new partner, that is Suraj. It is given to us as 3 upon 7. Now see students, over here in this question the denominator of all the three partners is already equal. Okay, here we don't need to make the denominator equal for Suraj, that is the new partner, because it is already equal. So we can directly write here new profit sharing ratio is equal to 2 is to 2 is to 3. Okay. Moving on to the next problem. Problem number C. So what is given here? Deepa and Seema are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3 is to 2. So Deepa and Seema are old partners and their old ratio is 3 is to 2. So what information they have given to us? Old ratio they have given, that is Deepa and Seema are old partners having ratio of 3 is to 2. So this we can write it as 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. Then what is given? Sushma is admitted as a partner. So Sushma is a new partner here. Then the new profit sharing ratio between them is 5 is to 3 is to 2. So they have given us the new profit sharing ratio of all the three partners after admitting Sushma. New profit sharing ratio is equal to, there are three partners now after admitting Sushma, Deepa, Seema as well as Sushma. So what is the new profit sharing ratio? 5 is to 3 is to 2. So 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10. So this we can write it as 5 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and 2 upon 10. Okay, now we have with us old ratio, we have with us new profit sharing ratio. So here in this problem you don't need to calculate new profit sharing ratio. That means what you have to calculate? Sacrifice ratio. So find their sacrifice ratio. See, here it is given. So when we have old ratio and new profit sharing ratio, it is very easy. You can apply this first formula, old ratio minus new ratio. Okay. So the formula is sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So let's calculate first for Deepa and then for Seema, because sacrifice is done only by the old partners. Okay, so we'll calculate the sacrifice ratio of Deepa and Seema. What is the old ratio of Deepa? 3 upon 5. What is the old ratio of Seema? 2 upon 5. Minus new ratio of Deepa, that is 5 upon 10, and new ratio of Seema, that is 3 upon 10. Now, we need to make the denominator equal because here it is not equal, right? So, if I multiply here with 2, I will get 10. So, if here I am multiplying with 2 with the denominator, I have to also multiply for the numerator. Similarly, over here, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Now, it is equal. 5 into 2, 10. So, it is equal with this. Similarly, over here, 5 into 2, 10. So, it is equal with this. Okay, 3 into 2, 6 minus 5, 2 into 2, 4 minus 3. So what is the answer that we are getting over here? 1 upon 10 and 1 upon 10. So what is the sacrifice ratio of all partners? Is equal to 1:1. Understood? Because since the denominator is same, we can directly write it as 1:1. Okay? Moving on to the next question. Okay, what is given here? R and K are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3. So R and K are old partners and their old ratio is 5:3. So we'll write the details that is given to us first. Old ratio R K 5:3. This we can write it as 5 upon 8, 3 upon 8. They admit S into partnership for 1 upon 4 share in future profit. So share of new partner, that is S, here is 1 upon 4. Okay, then what else is given? The new profit sharing ratio will be 4:2:1. So along with this, they have also given new profit sharing ratio of all the partners, that is R, K as well as S. Okay, so what is the new profit sharing ratio? 4:2:1. Okay, this we can write it as 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So 4 upon 7, 2 upon 7 and 1 upon 7. Okay, so now in this problem we have with us old ratio, we also have share of a new partner, we also have new profit sharing ratio. What did they told us to calculate? Sacrifice ratio, because new profit sharing ratio already given. So here they are asking us to calculate the sacrifice ratio of old partners. So how to calculate the sacrifice ratio of old partners when we have all these three details? Here are the formulas. Okay, we have with us old ratio, share of a new partner and new profit sharing ratio. So if we apply this formula, we have both of these details. So applying the first formula itself, we can directly calculate sacrifice ratio. This is just given you to confuse. Okay. So sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So let's calculate for R and then for K. What is the old ratio of R? 5 upon 8 and K 3 upon 8 minus new ratio of R 4 upon 7 and K 2 upon 7. So here the denominator is not same in both of this cases for R as well as for K. Now in such situation, what we can do, if you are not able to identify, actually we cannot make 7 equal to 8 or neither 8 equal to 7. So what we can do, cross multiply this. Here you can multiply with this opposite number, that is 8, this number, okay, and this side you can multiply with this opposite number, that is 7. Okay, so here it will become 8 into 7, we will get the same answer. Here also it will become 7 into 8, we will get the same answer. Okay, so 8 sevens are 56. In this case also we have to do the same thing, multiply here with 7, multiply here with 8. Okay, so 8 sevens are 56, 7 fives are 35, and 4 eights are 32, 3 sevens are 21, 2 eights are 16. 35 minus 32 comes to 3 upon 56, and 21 minus 16 comes to 5 upon 56. Okay, denominator is same now. So the sacrifice ratio of old partner is 3:5. Okay, I hope you at least know now how to calculate the sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio. So these are some of the 4 problems that I have taken on the practice questions on sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio. Remaining questions on this topic I will take in my next video. Okay, thank you students.